Hello guys, so on this short quick video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat music or audio. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat, and when you find it just click on it easily like this, and after that click on force stop and then go to the data usage right here and make sure that all these options are enabled. Disable only the background data like this. Go back, click on the storage and then click on clear data and click on delete. Even this step is optional because you will lose all the data. Now, the last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the end.